This is Curly Cute Slime, and today we're going to be making sour gummy worm edible slime. But I think we're missing two people. Here they are.
What's up, guys?
What's up, guys?
Wait, did you just teleport me from from 5 minutes away?
Yeah.
Or 5 hours, or however far it was?
Yeah. And me too.
Okay.
So,
Yo, yeah, I see they actually already melted my gummy.
we melted our gummies.
Yeah.
Our gummy worms were
am I doing
super
this
sour.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
So you melt them for about a minute, and it'll be really cool.
Yo, this is cool. It's like
I chose lime.
red orange.
I chose lime because lime is super sour.
This smells good.
So you're gonna start mixing it.
Hey.
Shh, we're doing a video. We're doing a video.
You're doing a video.
Okay, let's start
Okay,
over.
No, don't start over. I can cut it out. I'll cut it out. Just talk about melting it again. Start over.
Do it again. Okay.
Start right now at the melting. Say we're all melted. We
Okay.
picked our favorite gummy worms. Pick your favorite. Ready? Tell
I-
it, Kara, talk. You can't add food coloring before you start talking.
I actually don't want food coloring.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, let's add juice to make it a little darker.
Okay. Okay, that's good.
Wait, so are we gonna add the baking? Or no, the
Okay.
this again?
Okay,
Are we gonna add this next?
Gage, we gotta do the video over again. Oh no, Duncan.
Oh no.
We'll just pretend like this is how it came out. He chose blue.
Aqua. So much editing.
Okay, no teal.
Go.
Teal. Okay, okay, start the video over again.
I'm not starting
We
over.
can just edit it out.
So once you have the consistency, that's really good. You're gonna want to put in the cornstarch.
How much will we need? Like a pinch?
You'll need a lot because you don't want it to stick to you because it's gummies and it will stick.
That's true. That's obviously a lot of cornstarch.
Yeah, but it's gonna help us.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, and I'm gonna put some cornstarch in. I mean, not cornstarch, powdered sugar, because the powdered sugar makes it sweet too.
Okay.
Else you would have needed it.
And you can eat it?
Here, I'll
You wanna-
be back. I'll go grab a spoon.
Yeah.
How many? 3?
One.
I'll just grab 3.
One.
Shut that out.
So it's gonna be really powdery, but it's gonna be okay because you just need to add more. And because the powdered sugar makes it taste really sweet, even though it's already sweet.
Yeah.
And then the cornstarch makes it not sticky. And it'll turn into like a consistency that you'll like to eat it. And it will be like slime. Kind of dough. I don't know, slime. Can we have a spoon, please? Okay. I have
A mix.
Okay, he's gonna mix the cornstarch and powdered sugar together because you want to make sure you have equal amounts because the powdered sugar and the cornstarch are important to add or else it will just be really sticky, not even slime. I don't know what it would be. Just
See, so who's are we gonna do first?
you can add in 3 spoons.
Of this?
Yes.
Okay.
No. Okay, you add in 3 spoons of that. Okay. That makes more sense.
Yeah.
1 spoon. No, 2 spoons. 2 spoons. And
thing is that I didn't get it all over 4.
Maybe
4.
one more.
4. Okay, well, let's start
One.
mixing.
2.
Just get
Now
it.
it's kind of like a pinkish
3.
color.
Yeah.
4.
Now you can add yours. So you just want to mix it. Whoa, this looks super cool.
Yeah, I don't know about mine so much. Mine
You just want to keep
I
on.
think you added one too many.
No, because you want to keep on adding the
Because now it's like
the mixture, because you don't want it to be sticky.
Yeah.
Because if he thinks it feels like, well, of course it's melted
well, it's
gummy
not
worms.
even that sticky.
Feels like melted gummy worms.
It feels it has like a nice little texture to it.
Mhm. Does it taste good?
It's,
Yeah, it's kind of
and
sour.
you can
Pretty
also rub
sour.
on the sides so you can get
The
that stuff
oh my
that's on
Lord.
the sides off.
I don't think mine's ready yet.
it feels so cool.
It's not supposed
If you guys try this at home, it will just feel so cool and warm.
Ooh, man, that was sour. Yeah, that after effect though.
Like once it starts
mine's
coming
just
off,
like all one big
once it
thing.
starts coming off of the side, like regular slime.
Like mine?
Yes. Once
'Cause
it
mine came
starts
off the
coming
sides.
off the sides, you just want to like maybe add more in. Okay, yeah, that's pretty sticky. You just
Yeah,
want to
this
keep
is,
on
like,
adding
really
more of
sticky.
the mixture.
I know it's edible.
You just want to keep on adding more of the mixture until it gets to a nice consistency.
There's
A pinch. Okay.
Come on, man.
See how it's coming off the bowl? It's not that sticky anymore. That's what you want. Oh, nope, that's super sticky.
Oh, yeah. Still sticky. It's just like sticking to my spoon.
Okay, I'm just gonna go in with my hands.
That's not a good idea.
Yeah, I don't care. I'm just going in. Okay.
Yeah, I would not do that though.
Not yet. Mine's not ready. Mine's definitely. Oh, yours is actually pretty good, actually.
Yeah, but it needs more. See, super.
Mine's really sticky.
It would still be really hot though, so
Mine's still kind of.
don't
still
go
kinda
in too
hot.
fast. Hot, hot, hot.
And you don't have to make it sour. You can make it different.
Yeah, you can make it regular. The only thing you'll change is the gummy worms.
Yeah.
Is it super sour?
It's not super sour.
But is it sour?
Yeah, it's pretty sour.
But maybe when you finish it might be really sour.
Yeah.
Mine's still really sticky.
I've made this before and it's been super sour.
Yeah, this is really hard to get. Can
So-
you do this?
What?
This is just really hard. Because it's just like all on the spoon.
I'm gonna add more with my hand.
Oh my gosh, that's really sour.
Matthew, you need help stirring yours?
Just keep on stirring it, Matthew. This is super sticky. Super. It's coming together a little.
I don't know about mine.
Oh my gosh.
Mine went down here somewhere.
Guys, look at this.
It's really sticky.
Y'all might need more.
I don't know, but I think we need to add a little more powder
Okay.
to the bucket.
Look. That looks so cool.
Now,
I wanna
thinking
try
of
to
it,
blow
we
a
probably
bubble.
should have used throwaway bowls. Well, I mean, like, this is edible slime, so it's okay.
You can just eat it off the bowl.
Yeah, mine's still sticky, but if I do it fast, it's not really sticky. But, like, if I do it like this. Oh.
Use the hand technique
Oh,
like
me.
this. forget to comment down below if you think this was a fail or a success. Because
I think mine was a fail.
yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm gonna try mine.
Oh my gosh, that's
I'm
super
gonna
sour.
I'm gonna try mine.
And
Yeah.
I'm gonna put. Gotta get some of this mixing in. Okay. Oh man.
I don't think y'all want to try that.
Of course.
Ew. It's super sour.
I'm here for. a
It's
reason.
cool to play with it. Just not
I'm actually gonna kind of play with this.
just.
Play with it for a little bit.
Gosh, that is really
So,
sour.
Okay, now I'm gonna try this.
You're just
gold.
gonna need more and more.
No. No. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's sour. So that's pretty much it for this video.
So don't forget to subscribe and
Yeah.
give it a thumbs up. Turn on post notifications, and we'll see y'all next time.
And don't forget to
Bye.
subscribe. If you don't like it, or do you like it?
I don't think I should have gotten.
Bye.